Hey John, I won't be able to go to the meeting on Friday, so can we change it for another day, like for example on Monday morning around 9 a.m. Would that fit your schedule? You just hold Ctrl Windows and that's it. You speak and it waits for you, with punctuation marks and no grammatical errors. Then there's Keak AI, the AI voice assistant. Hey Keak, can you see my screen right now? Can you describe it to me? You can ask anything you want, general questions like the weather or how is the result of anything, or you can ask it to do more specialized,
yes, Pep, I can see your
questions.
screen. You're currently in Gmail, and it looks like you're composing a new email. The draft says, "Hey John, I won't be able to go to the meeting on Friday, so can we change it for another day? For example, on Monday morning around 9 a.m. Would that fit your schedule?"
So you can see my whole screen, and it can interact with me now. If I Ctrl Alt again, we can create a conversation. Or I'm going to ask it, "Hey Keak, can you tell me how's the weather in Oahu, Hawaii, and what temperature is right now?" Or I could ask
Of course, Pep.
a more personal question about my business or anything if I give it context. As you can see, it says current weather in Oahu, Hawaii, 23 degrees, and we can ask it to explain it to us or anything we want.
Celsius, and there's light rain in Oahu, Hawaii right now.
So as you can see now, it's telling us, we can see it, and it also talks to us. You can use male or female voice. Now, if you're using like Whisperflow or any of these tools that cost 15-20 euros a month for you to speak, and it transcribes it and it writes for you, and it chooses only this, it's too expensive, and I thought about creating something different and that it has a new feature that it's actually useful. So with this tool, you talk and it just writes. You hold Ctrl Windows, start talking, and that's it. It writes with the right like commas, points, and no grammatical errors. And apart from this, you can also have a real AI voice agent that talks to you. You can have a conversation with it. It can have context. It can know more about your business. It can do tasks for you. You just talk to it and say, create a Google event or anything. And if you connect it to the tools, it can do all this stuff, automate your business. And it can save you hours and money. Instead of paying 15-20 euros, you can use this tool. The first feature is that you just hold Ctrl Windows and talk, and that's it. It writes for you. And then if you want it organized, you can call Ctrl Alt, and it's the thought down that you can ramble freely, and it turns it into a clear structured writing. So it writes, so you just talk to it, and then you have all this ramble that you did into a well-crafted text that it's ready for you to use. You can download it on Windows and Mac. Then there's the Keak AI that it isn't just dictation. It's an AI voice assistant that actually talks back. You just hold Ctrl Alt and just talk to it. Keak listens, thinks, answers out loud, can see your screen, can know about you. You can ask questions. You can ask things to get done. You can ask to search for anything. You just talk. You don't need to type. And it has the context thing, and you can speak in any language. It listens, then it's kicking, and then you have the response. So if you have the app downloaded, you can see the history. Then there are the styles. You can, like, if you want to make it professional, formal, casual, short, and you can create a new style with whatever you want. Then there are the codes that, for example, when you say my email, that actually puts your email, or you can add like my phone number and it puts the number, the exact number. Then there's vocabulary that it's common words that misspells them, like brand names, your name, like for example, cloud coatings. If you don't use it, if you don't have this vocabulary, it just puts cloud like in the sky, the theme. Then there's the Keak AI I talk about. You can name it, you can put male or female voice, you can put the personality you want to respond to you. And then in Ctrl Alt you can choose between Keak AI or Thought Dump. You can write about like your life or what you want it to know about you. You can let it see your screen or not. And then you can upload files like Markdown PDFs so that it has more context. And then you can connect it to the other apps to do all this stuff, all these tasks for you, to Google, Notion, Microsoft, Slack. And when you talk to it, you can say to save to notes this thing, or you can see the history, like to copy the prompt, or maybe to know what you are, how are you been using it. Then you have the usage that it doesn't work with credits like all the AI tools. It works with minutes, with the Keak dictation, and with the Keak AI it works with questions, with conversations used, and it resets every month. Then if you wanted to do like when I used the weather thing and it shares it and I can see it, if I didn't have the installed the Chrome extension, I couldn't be able to do that, or to go to create a document and see it in real time. So you can just click here and install for free the Chrome extension. And that's it almost. So instead of paying 15-20 euros, you can actually have the transcriber thing, the Keak, the control windows, like all the other tools out there. But you can also have the Keak AI, the AI voice assistant. And that's the most interesting thing. And with the price that respects your wallet, because you can start using it for free, just try it. You have 15 minutes of dictation a month, that's a lot. And then Keak AI questions for you to try it. And then if you want to upgrade and use it more, just change for the 4-year plan or 8-year plan, that it's not too expensive to pay 8 euros to have 500 Keak AI questions a month, that's a lot. And if you want to have all this stuff, but just start with the free and try it, and if you like it, then you can upgrade later. So this app is called Keak AI, a Keak. You just search keak.app in your computer, and you can download it on Windows and MacBook. And here's a guide on how to install it, if you don't know how. And it will be available on Apple and Android in mobile version soon. So just go out there, search keak.app and try it. And tell me what you think and how do you use the Keak AI assistant.